Welcome to the World Taekwondo Global Membership System tutorial. In this tutorial, we show you how you as an administrator in the GMS can create your own events and host their registrations through the World Taekwondo Global Membership System under your own website. When you're logged into the GMS, you will click on Events. There you will have this new button, New Event. Click here to create a new event. If in case you have not already created your own World Taekwondo GMS website, you will be prompted to do so. And for more details on this, please view our tutorial for this subject. Click on New Event, and there you will have the first option to choose the event type. We currently have tournament where all your events can be hosted. The rest of these options are a work in progress and you will be informed once they are available. So you can type the name of the event, which can be in your own language as well. In this case, we will use the Sweden National Kyorugi Open. The event code should be unique to each event. So in this case, we can also have the year. So here, for example, would be the first letter of each word and the year, keeping it as unique as possible. Then the currency you can choose. If in case you would like to receive online payments, the current options are limited to US dollar and the euro. In the future, we will also have other PayPal currencies available to choose from for online payments. If in case you would like to receive payments offline or by bank transfer, you can select any of the currencies that are available to you in the drop-down. In this case, we will proceed with the euro. For the event validation type, you should select sanctioned. And if in case your event has any website URL, you can add that over here to be displayed under the event summary. Now, you do not need to select any ranking points category. You can then enter the location. So for example, this event's happening in Stockholm. Then the owner organization level, which would be you as the national federation, or if you're logged in at the club level, then you would select the relevant level that you're logged in as. In this case, we're making a national event, so we will choose the owner organization level as country MNA and the name of the owner organization that I'm logged in as. Please leave the enter G rank as blank. Then the setting here for allow admin to register individuals is a setting which determines if admins can register individuals one by one. So if you would like to allow them that option, you can select yes. If in case you would like them to first pre-create a team mandatorily, you will need to select yes from is team registration required. Then allow non-admins to register themselves is a setting where individual members that this event has been open to will be able to register themselves without being an administrator in the system. In this current combination of these three settings that I have selected here, all the different types of registration options will be available. What that means is admins will be able to register pre-created teams. They will also be able to register individuals one by one, and individual members in the system who are not administrators will also be able to register themselves only. Now, is event pass required? This is a setting which we control the requirement of the event pass, which is soon to be renamed to the World Taekwondo Global License from 1st of September 2018. If this is something that is only limited to the WT events, which could be sanctioned, promoted, now or recognized. Now, is this a private event? Which would mean only people who are eligible to register for this event would be able to view this on the events page. And email address to CC all events is a setting where you can enter the email address where all event emails would be sent to. And allow only individuals to register, invited individuals to register is a setting where if you are making this an invitation based event only, then you need to select yes. If anyone in the organization that you're making this available to can register, then just select no. You also have the option to make the event registrations public. That means anyone who registers or even people who are not registering can view who all is registered for this event. Now, you can also have an event logo uploaded. For that you also simply need to just choose the file. Yep. So in this case, this is a national event. We are uploading the logo of the National Federation in this case here. So once that is done, all you need to do is click on continue. You do not have to select any ranking details over here, so please skip this step. The host details are the details of the host that would be visible to all individuals and members who would like to view this information on the event summary page, which we will show you later. You can have the name of the host or the contact person here. You can have the contact person's phone number, email address, and any other email addresses that need to be entered. Once you have entered the host details and the contact person's details, which could be visible on the event summary, we will, for example, enter as the name, and contact person's phone number could be, and here we can have John Smith. Once these details are entered, click on continue, and then you have to set the event dates for this event. In this case, we say the event's on the 1st of August 2018. You can choose the time zone, which will determine the registration cutoffs. So here's Stockholm, and going on till the 2nd of August 2018, then click on continue. Now the age options are check this box if the cutoff age is based on the year, not on the date, but this is a function that will be coming out in the future. So once this is available, we will inform you. Then you can enter the venue details. These are the details that will appear on the summary when anyone clicks on the name of the event from the events page. So in this case, the events in Sweden in Stockholm. And you can enter the postal code here. And if in case the venue also has a URL or a website, you can enter that URL over here so that individuals are informed of the particular details. Now the footer details, this section is currently not available, but for your information, the flyer, email, and confirmation footers are wordings you can enter in the future, where they would appear on the flyer where the event details are, and also on the email or confirmation auto emails. Once these functions are available, you will be informed. The next part to discuss is the event rules, which we will be discussing in the second part of the event creation tutorial videos. Thank you.